What's going on, everybody? This is Cameron. Took a trade today, and I wanted to go over the setup, what I was looking for, and how I made a little over $950 today trading this simple volume strategy that I don't hear anybody else talk about. We're gonna be talking about compressed volume at key levels. So let's get right into it. We're gonna start first and foremost with the trade. So we went in short today at 10:05 at 5627.75, stop at 5635, so roughly around a 6-point stop. Target was 5600, and I got out at 10:13 a.m. for 19 and 3/4 point profit at 5608. Market context: market was buying higher and waiting on 10 a.m. news. So overall consensus in the market the past couple days. You know, we opened up Monday, we started moving lower, the market was very weak. However, and this is not something I have included, but I spotted quite a bit of selling pressure into these levels, selling. So there was a passive buyer buying price, or buying, matching these aggressive sellers the whole way down, give or take 25,000 contracts. Overall, market is pretty much trading at the lows. I'm actually quite bullish in this market. I don't think the market is as bad as the sentiment is. So we saw the move yesterday, moving higher, and we're looking to come back into this range that has been trading. We traded in it for a few days. We broke above it, we broke below it, and I'm basically looking for the market to come back into this range and start to trade the other extreme. So market opens up, it starts buying higher. We'll go right there. So I did not take a trade until 10:0, I believe. What was the time? 10:05, I got into a trade. So 10:05, market's buying higher. We saw, and I think the key, let's just go one at a time. All right. Market was buying higher and was waiting on 10 a.m. news. Before news, market moved above value area extreme, consolidated and moved below, creating a consolidated volume area. What do I mean by this? I mean, looking at this right here. So volume profile, value area is going to be the highlighted area. It's 68% or 70% of the total traded volume for the session. So we started to buy above, and I don't have the other picture, but Bookmap represented some aggressive selling taking place, but also some aggressive buying taking place. And most importantly, the consolidated volume that we're going to be talking about today. When we see areas of consolidated volume, we see moves off those levels, right? Buyers and sellers are fighting over price, and they consider this an important spot in the market in order to dictate where they want price to head. So like I said, market moved above value area extreme, so it broke above into the dimmered volume area, consolidated and moved below, creating consolidated volume. Right? This candle closed at 9:55. News comes out. We see it start to compress lower, and then I'm noting the aggressive selling coming into the market. So, like I said, nope. Market moved below value area extreme, consolidated and moved below, creating a consolidated volume area. News arrived and market started moving lower. All right. Pace of tape started to speed up when we started to move lower and then compress again, or a large seller into the market and moved lower. I am looking at, so after the news came out, this is on the footprint chart. Or not the footprint, the heat map, the book map. So news at 10 o'clock comes in, increased pace of tape, and we compress right here. And I'm watching this level very closely. We move lower. Tape is still increasing in speed, so sellers are aggressively selling into this level. And I marked this area out as this area of compression. The same concept, consolidated volume, fast moving tape. This level is now key for me. And we can also implement the 10 a.m. 1 minute range bar candle, the range we created on news. Right now I'm going to mark out each extreme and I want to play that range. So what happens? We come back in, we reject, we come back in, we reject. So I'm observing that as well. And I observed this level. I marked it out. Like I said, sellers are aggressive into that level. We're coming up into it, and what's the response from buyers? It's pretty lackluster. Second test, third test, and then we move off that level. And I'm in this trade at 56.27. Stop above this area. I believe it was 35. Targeting 5,600 flat. Okay. So I marked out the area of compression, and at first I wanted to see market move above level with strong buying. Although my bias was long, could not dismiss short opportunities as aggressive selling delta was hitting the market. Going back to this, you see this aggressive selling coming into the market. Market's moving lower off the area of compressed volume. Although I wanted to see the market move higher, and I had the bias that, you know, the market's gonna move higher. We put in the bottom on Monday. You know, I can't dismiss what I'm seeing. And what I'm seeing is lackluster buyers getting rejected at the highs, compressing, moving lower, aggressive selling starting to kick in, and we're rejecting this level multiple times. So like I said, I'm in short at 27. Market came in the area 2 times where it saw rejections both times. I entered the market short after second fail of level, betting on buying delta being trapped out after rejecting this fast moving area of compression. Okay. And like I said, there's the area of compression again. The thing with these areas of volume, like I said, when buyers and sellers are fighting over price, we're going to see increased speed, a faster moving tape. We're going to see compression. We're going to see market kind of condense down. Like you see this right here, right after news. Market is figuring out what it wants to do, moves lower, tape speeds up. And like I said, we get multiple tests. And look at it's slower at these levels, and it's rejecting. So it's figuring it out, but this is a level that buyers need to hold, and I was actually wanting to see buyers break this level to take the market long. You know, when I'm seeing this, though, I have no other choice but to take the market short. So that's what happened. I don't think I have any other. I don't have anything else, but I held this trade through. Okay, right here. Something that I didn't like with this trade was the aggressive buying coming into the market. This is very abnormal. I wanted to really see this. So when I got in on this move, aggressive delta coming in, I'm like, all right, we're looking to trap out these buyers. However, you see a large, it was 1,000+ lot print, more printing down here on the buy side. You actually see we compressed down here, broke below the reclaimed. This would have been an amazing area to get in. Like I said, these areas of compression, they represent inflection points in the market, because what happened after this? We compressed at this level, you mark this level out, you say, okay, if buyers are able to reclaim above with strong buying, you're looking to test, and it depends on what you're looking for. I think 56.35 to test point of control is good. I mean, but you could also say, you know what, I think this is the bottom. And I think that we're going to come back into range, and we're going to buy above range and reclaim higher into the range we've been trading for the past bit of time here. So that's, I feel like a little disoriented. I'm just trying to go over the trade. I would just say look out for these areas of condensed volume. Spot them on your chart and try to relate them to an area of interest, and then you use the consolidated volume is an area of interest. So then you want to gauge the reaction, whether that's coming into that level as a retracement, whether that's breaking above that level as a reversal. Just kind of gauging those levels. And like I said, we're playing price and volume. Don't overcomplicate it, right? And like I said, I took a short today at 27 and got out at 56.08. My initial target was 5,600 flat. That would have been a very tough trade if I held all the way through, because I was not getting filled by the tick. So anything else I'm seeing in this market? I would be I think we continue to move higher in time. We're coming back into this range though. Buyers have to hold this. Other than that, it's been a pleasure. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna post this video. Sorry it's a little rough. I just kind of feel maybe not as organized as I should be. If you have any questions, please ask. Please talk to me. I'd love to help out. If anything didn't make sense, please reach out. But this is a tried and true strategy that, like I said, I made over $950 on today, and in a little over 8 minutes. So I appreciate y'all. Thank you very much. Have a great day.